Here at Osirium, we secure our products using a signed certificate. Since the recent upgrade to VMware's vCenter, they now check the certificates when you deploy your OVF template. In this case, they won't be able to find the root certificate. So to do this, we're going to log into our VMware vCenter. And then we're going to open up the administrator page. Find the section for certificate management. And then we're going to click add here. Find our certificate. And upload it like so. And there we have it. Please contact support if you need the certificate. In summary then, we've added in our certificate, so we should get no errors or issues when we deploy our OVF template. If you'd like to know more, please get in touch.